Finished your design and ready to share it with clients, developers, or your team. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export designs from Penpot in 2026. We'll go through the export options, choose the right file format, and save your designs for different use cases. Start by signing into your Penpot account and opening the project that contains the design you want to export. Once the design file is open, select the frame, page, or element you want to save. Click on the specific frame, component, or individual object you want to export. If you're exporting several items, select each one according to your project's needs before opening the export options. Locate the export section in the Properties panel. Choose the file format that best fits your project, such as PNG for images, SVG for scalable graphics, or PDF if that option is available in your workflow. So you may also be able to adjust settings like size or scale before exporting. After reviewing your settings, click the Export button. Penpot will generate the selected file and download it to your computer. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this usually only takes a few moments. Open the exported file to make sure everything looks correct. Check the image quality, layout, colors, and text alignment. If something doesn't look right, simply return to Penpot, make the necessary adjustments, and export the design again. Finally, rename your exported files with clear names and save them in an organized folder. This makes them much easier to find later and simplifies sharing them with teammates, clients, or developers. And that's it. Yeah, you've learned how to export designs from Penpot in 2026. With the right export settings, your designs will be ready for presentations, development, or client reviews in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.